Hello, you guys! Welcome back to Ace and Roman Show! This is Ace and I'm Roman. Today we're going to be playing with Playdoh! Playdoh! Let's open the Playdoh up. Wow, this is so amazing. Purple's my favorite color. Among Us characters. So today I'm gonna be making Among Us characters. Let's start. I'm gonna make the purple Among Us character, and then roll it up.
Face making.
Ace, what are you making? A cake. Roll as a ball.
Wow.
Look at it. Wait.
Make sure it looks like potato. Then get 2 pieces of small potatoes. Break some off. Again. And then again. Now do the same thing like that. And blend it in. We are best friends. Da-da-da-da-do. And then a little small thing. More
Quick.
Let's do a little bit more. Medium. Look, I made the purple Among Us character.
Wow.
I don't know what I should make first. Well, the dough.
Mom! Start! Got it! What?
Oopsie. Let's make the blue. Probably like this.
Whoa! Good and dirty. Oh. Don't like. Just okay.
Aha! Let's make some
Hope! Hope! Hope got it.
Oh my God.
There's a second.
Let's mix up all the colors. Whoa! Mix up. Mix up.
One, two, three, four, five. Motor.
Yes.
Mom. Ha.
I made a mix up a rainbow Among Us character.
What?
Let's make the giantest Among Us character.
Call. Motion. Stick. Wait. Oh. Aja. Itu dia. Yeah.
Let's see if this makes bird sounds.
Oh.
Wow!
Shit.
This color is so amazing. You guys want to take a sneak peek? Whoa! So amazing. It's like space. I love it.
Where is?
And this color. I'm making a more giant Among Us. You like my Among Us?
Wait.
You squished my Among Us. But this is a big one. Smash!
Yeah, one.
Now let's mix up colors.
Big one.
Let's mix up colors. I smash! And now we can make a rainbow pop. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Wow!
We're touching.
Okay.
Whoa. Here.
Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button. We will see you next time.
Wait a minute.